I love how versatile PH Care is, especially when it comes to their packaging. It comes in all forms. It has a big bottle, a medium one, and it also comes in travel forms. Ako mahilig ako mag-travel. Lagi akong lumalayas every month. So, these travel bottles always excites me kasi kasya siya sa kikay kit ko, sa travel bags ko. And when it comes to beach, importante that we bring our feminine wash. Of course, we cannot neglect our hygiene, especially in this scorching heat of the Philippines. Kailangan bantayan natin ang hygiene. We should all be, self-aware as well. Every time we need to refresh and to go to the to have that banyo breaks, diba? And ako din, kasi I love going to the beach. So, I make sure that despite going to the beach, I still feel fresh and I'm still confident no matter what happens.
Yes. Ako, one of my favorite beaches, of course, is La Union. It's my hometown.
You're from La Union.
I'm from La Union. So, I always go there. Parang kailangan every holiday, makapanood ako. And siguro the way PH Care helps me when it comes to, my trips to the beaches yun. Siguro, overall freshness talaga. Kasi, yun nga, pag mainit, parang feeling mong malagyan ka, especially when you're by the beach na talaga ang daming salt water. And, one thing talaga na you should never forget is your toilets. And always, andun yung PH Care sa mga toiletry bags ko that I carry with me wherever I go. Especially, parang, you can go out out on the beach without yourself. Diba? Towel, diba? It's one of the necessities talaga that you need. So, as a girl, diba, it's really important to always think about those little things talaga that make a big difference when you take care of
Gabi, yung favorite beach destinations mo?
Favorite beach? Grabe. Pilipinas pa rin talaga. I've been to so many beaches all over the world, but wala pa rin tatalo sa Pilipinas. Favorite ko, Palawan. El Nido or Coron. Alam mo, kahit kagatin ako ng kabuang niknik doon. Kasi, grabe ako kagatin ng niknik pag nasa Palawan ako. I feel like it's maybe because of my skin type or my blood type, but you know what? It's okay. Because it's so beautiful and it's worth it.
Thank you, ladies.